पोरण्या गोयच्या सेंट जोसेफ वाज आध्यात्मिक नूतनीकरण केंद्रात गोयच्या शाळा मुखेल्यांची 2 दिसांची परिशद जावपाची आसा। 11 आणि 12 ऑगस्टाक ती जातली। गोवा मुख्याध्यापक संघटना आणि राज्य शिक्षण संशोधन आणि प्रशिक्षण मंडळान ताचे आयोजन केला। साखळेचे सरकारी कॉलेजीचो प्राचार्य डॉक्टर गेर्वासियो मेंडेस, अतिरिक्त संचालक, उच्च शिक्षण संचालनाचे हेर पदाधिकारी कार्यावळीक हजर आसतले। शाळांनी शिक्षणाचो पुनराविष्कार हो परिशदेचो विषय। शाळा मुखेली आपल्या अनुभवांची दिवप घेवप करतले।
Our main intention to have this conference is to get all the heads of institution together while we share our mind, our ideas, and to see what we can do as headmasters, headmistresses. Inauguration of our conference will be done by IAS officer, the Secretary Education Prasad Lolekar. Along with him we have Mr. Shailesh Jingde, the Director of Education, and we are collaborating this conference with the SCRT, the Director Sagadi, the Rector of the House, that is the Spiritual Renewal Center, Father Henry Falcão. These are our main guests. Our validity function will be taken over by Dr. Gervasio Mendes, the Principal of Sankiling College and the Additional Director of Higher Education. Our theme, Reinventing Education in School, is our main focus. We are focusing ourselves to NEP 2020, and the main motto of NEP is to encourage, enlighten, and to educate. So how we as heads of the institution will get ourselves inviting many things that would be happening during this conference. We have the Provincial of the Jesuit, Father Roland Coelho, who will address the heads of the change. Our board chairman, Mr. Bhagiraj Shetye, would have an interaction with the heads of the institution with the changes that are taking place at the board of higher education. Sir Manoj Savaikar will speak on the micro level teaching. Sir John Silvera, as we are facing a lot of challenges, will speak on challenges, how we can face challenges today. We have to take care of our health, Dr. Priyanka. We will have a fitness session by Mr. David Furtado. We have Umesh, who would be taking care of yoga early morning while this is a residential conference. We have cyber wellness, responsible netism, a speaker who would speak on how we can have our Goa schools safe.
GOA365 खातीर नितीक्षा गांवकार, विलियम फर्नांडीस आणि ओमकार देशप्रभू।